Hello everyone, it's Brandy here, and I am in Michigan visiting my mother and Grandma Gertie.
Hi!
Grandma Gertie is back and she is still crafting. And many of you have asked, is Grandma Gertie still crafting and what is she up to? What you been up to, Grams?
Well, I've been doing a lot of things. I've been doing some quilt making, crafting, and crocheting, and getting in trouble.
Yes, she does get in trouble, especially with those guys out there.
Yeah.
Well, we just thought we would come and say hi. There's we have a new Stampin' Up! Kit, and it's called The Best Remedy. And I told Grandma I'm gonna bring her this kit, and we're gonna open it up and maybe try to put a couple cards together. What do you think?
Oh, that sounds great.
Does that sound like a good idea?
Yes, it does.
So,
oh, these are so pretty.
Isn't that cool?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yep, ice cream for ice cream.
Oh, I'm like, what is she talking about? I think last time, gosh, it's been a couple of years since we've done this, hasn't it?
Yes, it has.
It has. It's been a couple of years. And have you been making cards, Gertie?
I have.
Yeah?
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
I got a whole bunch because I did Christmas cards and people didn't get them in 20. I think it was in 19, whenever we had that virus going around, and nobody got out and did anything, so.
So you made a bunch of cards?
Yeah,
Yeah, so she's all stocked up for cards, right?
Yep, I sure am.
That's awesome. How about we just open this one, and then you can do that one later. What do you think?
Oh, these are so pretty.
Okay.
I like these.
Yeah, they're super cute. What do you like about them?
Well, it's an all occasion thing.
Yeah.
I mean, you can use them for birthdays, a thank you, just anything. I miss you or anything. You can use them for anything, a man or a woman.
Yeah. And those little animals are so cute. So if you have not
they
seen this, it's called the Best Remedy Kit. It's absolutely adorable. And, you know, it comes like this. It's probably, we can't really zoom in because we're at my mother's house in Michigan, and this is impromptu, isn't it?
Yes.
We always come and craft together when I come into town, but I was like, let's just film a video.
There you go.
And Grandma was like, sure, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. And, you know, are you going to tell all your friends that you were on video?
You know I will.
Well,
you know I will.
Grandma Gertie is one of my biggest fans, and so anytime that I go live or I'm online, she's always there to cheer me on and tell me how I did, huh?
You betcha.
And maybe which ones you like best as well.
Yep. I enjoy this.
Yes.
I just wish I was as crafty as this one is.
Oh, you are so talented. As a matter of fact, I should go and get the quilt that she just gave me. It's absolutely gorgeous. So Grandma, you keep talking to him and tell him hi. I'm going to go get your quilt.
I sure will. She's awesome. I just wished I had the talents that girl has. Oh, I did that.
Yeah, let's show him your beautiful quilt, Grandma. Talk about talent. I'm going to brag on Grandma Gertie for a few minutes. She made this beautiful quilt and she gave it to me today. So, isn't it gorgeous?
Can you see it, Tyler?
Yeah, Tyler's over there helping my son. We're filming with a, what is it, a iPhone. Yeah, so talk about total impromptu, right? So let's go ahead and what do we want to do first? Let's see what we have, you know, so when you get these kits, you've got all the card bases, you know, and all of the little parts and pieces, they all kind of pop out, so that's pretty cool. And then it looks like this one. Oh, look at these cute little animals. I absolutely love them. Which one's your favorite? I think I like the little chick with the little, he's so cute.
I like them all.
I do too. So which one do you want to pick one, Grandma Gertie?
Yeah.
Yeah, pick one. Let's pop one out. So the cool thing is with the Stampin' Up! The kit collection, depending on which kit collection you purchase, Gertie, it comes with a stamp set, so you can totally go rogue if you want, you know, and kind of stamp your own, or you can punch out all the parts and pieces and make the kit just as is. So that is pretty cool. So I think we're gonna go with the chick.
Oh, isn't that cute?
Isn't that precious? I love it.
Oh my gosh. Would you like these all punched out?
Well, let's go ahead and put one together for everybody and show them how cute it is. So it looks like the chick is actually on this one, but I think it's pretty cute there too, don't you?
On which one, the blue one?
Yeah, the blue one.
Well, let's get the blue one.
Okay, so here's some glue. Oh, we're gonna give Grandma Gertie some glue.
Uh-oh, that's
Could that be trouble?
that's serious trouble.
Now, don't be gluing yourself to the table now, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so this one, it looks like it's gonna glue right about here. And so you can follow.
Oh, I see right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can follow those directions. So one thing about the kits is they have all of these fantastic directions. So did you know that, Gertie? It's got the directions here.
Okay.
Yeah, so here's your glue.
Okay.
And you're just gonna glue that down. And so with the kit collection, you probably will need scissors and either some
I got
snail.
scissors.
Perfect. Some snail adhesive or something along those lines so that you can glue everything together. And this one actually comes with a block too. So this is like, you know, take it and go crafting, which I love.
Your glue really comes out nice.
Well, that one's
nice glue.
Yeah, it's brand new. And you did good. Little spider web lines so it wasn't too sticky. Nice job, Grams. I like it. We have a lot of fun crafting together, and a lot of times when I come to Michigan, they will help me put, you know, Stampin' Dimensionals and help me get a bunch of cards that generally I make for my viewers and for my my customers. So it's just always so much fun to just sit here and fellowship, isn't it?
Yep, it sure is.
And we talk.
How did I do on that?
I think you did great. Yeah.
Are we about this?
It might be a wee bit crooked, but you know what? That makes it unique, Gertie. It's good.
All right.
Yeah, I like it. Nobody knows it's supposed to be straight.
Well, I did it, but I'm crooked anyway.
We know that, right?
Yep.
Okay, so here you go.
And then we got...
I got a little green spot, right? So you're supposed to put some, looks like some dimensionals behind that. You remember those little foam dots, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So you put the little foam dots, and then I'm just
How many do you want on here?
How many ever you'd like. Yeah, maybe 2, 3, 4, whatever you would like. And so what do we want this little chick to say? It says, I'm here for you. A little birdie told me you're under the weather. Now that's pretty cute, but not so much. Well, that's
I wanna do a birthday card.
You want to do a birthday card?
Yeah.
Feel better.
I got some friends that's having a birthday.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Let's just put the little chickie on top, and then you can stamp a birthday, because I don't think there's a birthday message in here. It's more about feel better, but you can always stamp one on the inside. That's the beauty of card making.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Yeah, so we are having a big time here in Michigan, and we have done a lot of visiting.
A lot of eating.
Oh, you like to eat, don't you?
I do, but my tummy don't hold that much anymore. Okay, now, all right. Now we have to wait for a sentiment?
Nope, we're gonna stamp the sentiment on the inside when you get home with one of your stamps.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so let's just add our cute little birdie. And so then I think, you know, there's, I'll let you go ahead and put a couple dimensionals right behind this cute little chickie.
Look at that, Brandy.
Show it to them.
How about that? I'm not too far off.
No, you're doing fantastic. So I just put some little things behind your birdie, so take off your backings. And so she's gonna stick her birdie down, and then I think we're gonna wait and let you take it home put a happy birthday on the inside. What do you think?
Yeah, I got some friends that's having a birthday, and I don't want to...
That'll be perfect.
You know, male friends don't always appreciate flowers.
Yeah. Well, I'm doing a masculine series right now, and so I've been trying to focus on some masculine cards.
I think that's awesome, really.
Yeah? Have you enjoyed that?
I do. I really do. Yeah. You know, you can use, like I was saying, you can use this card for most anything.
Yes.
And it's a funny card.
It's cute.
Something to make humorous.
Yes.
You know, a humor.
Yeah, I would agree.
I don't want to.
Oh, well,
little humor here.
It's a lot of fun, and so why don't you show everybody your card? Of course, you can dress it up with some pretty gems and stuff.
Everybody, look at my card!
Yay! So that was super cute.
I'm not in North Carolina. I'm still home.
Yeah, and you're in Michigan, aren't you?
I am.
And Gertie, you just had a birthday. Speaking of birthdays,
I did.
Yeah.
Yep. I just turned 88.
Wow, 88. Still, you know, still look like you're 29.
I tell all the men that, and they don't believe me.
I believe that. They bring her cupcakes and everything. You just gotta like swat them away, don't you?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Well, Tyler, would you like to grab her cup? We got a special cup for your birthday, didn't you?
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
isn't that pretty?
Yeah, he's precious, and you see he's got a boo-boo on his head. Actually, it might not be.
It could be for the people that want to partake a little bit.
That's true. So for her birthday, I was excited. I had gotten a BrandysCards cup for her.
Oh,
so
awesome.
I was excited. I knew she would love that because she's one of my biggest fans.
Coffee drinkers, tea drinkers.
Yep. So pretty cool.
Oh,
well, everybody, thank you so much for joining us and Grandma Gertie. Many of you have asked and have told me that my most favorite video ever was with Grandma Gertie. And so I was really excited that she was like, yeah, let's go ahead and film one. And of course, any opportunity to craft together is special. Right. And I only get home a couple of times a year. So this is special. And if you like this kit, we're not able to zoom in. This was completely impromptu. But if you go to BrandysCards.com, I will have a post with the Best Remedy kit. This kit is absolutely adorable. Probably one of the cutest. I absolutely love it. And don't forget, make your cards and send your cards. You can definitely bless others by receiving those cards, right?
Yeah, it always makes your heart feel good when you got something a little humorous to kind of, get the giggles.
Yes.
I mean, you know what? I got a card myself, and I have to tell you people, it said, if you want a happy birthday, get the inner, seek the inner center.
Oh.
Inner peace.
Inner peace.
Seek the inner peace. Better yet, take the one on the corner. You get more frosting that way.
Oh my goodness. That's cute. You got that from one of your friends?
I did.
Oh. Well, and it made you laugh and it made you feel good. Yes, and it let you know that you were loved and being thought of. So that's what our cards do for others. And so I appreciate you sharing that, Gertie. I love you. Thank you, everybody, for joining us today. And until next time,
bye for now.
Bye for now. Take care.